How does Bill Tiller make the pH go up in his water? With intent. Well, how does he do that? When you look at the pH of water, it's not a straight line at 7. pH of water, if you look at it down at the microscopic level, where you can see variations to 20 decimal places, the pH is doing this, with time, all the time. It's jumping around. There's little H pluses and OH minuses that are combining and recombining, and all that stuff is going on. It's a dynamic situation. Well, there's uncertainty in there. And where there's uncertainty, you can modify the future. So with an applied intent, you can say that in that uncertainty band of pH, even down at the 0.01 level or wherever that uncertainty is, it doesn't matter, you can modify so that when it makes the choice, so when you make the measurement, you stick that meter in, you can bias it up a little bit within the uncertainty, not beyond the uncertainty. You can't at one leap. Those people couldn't have made every patient on their 500, get out of the hospital, in an hour. They couldn't do that. They can only move it within the uncertainty that's there. Okay, so you can move that pH up within the uncertainty of where it might be at any instant, and then you move it up a little more from that one, move it up a little more, and just like you walk that robot off the table, you can walk that pH up in level, or you can walk it down. The mind does these things. So that's how that experiment works. Now the little robot, what you're doing there is when it's going to pick a random number, from our viewpoint, we don't know what that random number is. It could be anywhere from here to here. Well, that's an unknown. Because it's unknown, we can bias it. We can make it pick it a little to the high side, a little to the low side. And enough, a little to the high sides all in a row, the robot walks off the table and falls. Okay? So that's how all those experiments work.